Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into how you can get those perfectly shaped eyebrows right at home using sugaring. It's this amazing, all-natural method that is so gentle on your skin.
So, are you tired of the usual brow routine? The redness, the stinging, that awful irritation from waxing or plucking? If you've been looking for a kinder, gentler way to get those perfect brows, well, sugaring might just be your new best friend.
Okay, so what exactly is sugaring? It's basically a hair removal technique that uses a super simple natural paste. And get this, while it's taking care of unwanted hair, it's also gently exfoliating your skin. That's the real secret sauce. It's why there's way less redness and irritation.
All right, so like with anything, great results start with great prep. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the technique, let's make sure we have our starter kit all lined up.
So here's what you're gonna need. It's super simple. Some sugar paste, a small applicator stick, and some fabric strips. Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. Go ahead and cut one of your larger strips into a couple of smaller ones. Seriously, these little custom sizes are going to be your secret weapon for getting that perfect, precise shape.
Now listen up, because this is probably the #1 most important rule of sugaring. You have to start with clean, dry skin. I mean, completely clean and dry. Any little bit of lotion or oil is going to stop that sugar paste from grabbing on. So do a quick double check, make sure you're good to go.
Okay, kit is ready, skin is prepped, it is time for the main event. Let's get into the core technique. We're going to start with the easier areas, like above and between the brows, just so you can get the hang of the motion.
All right, this is what I like to call the 4-step flick. It's super easy once you get it down. Step 1, scoop up a small amount of paste. Step 2, and this is crucial, you're going to spread a thin layer against the direction your hair grows. This helps lift the hairs up. Step 3, press your fabric strip on top and give it a good firm rub. And finally, step 4, the flick. You're going to pull that strip off quickly, but here's the trick. Pull it with the direction of your hair growth. That's the absolute key to making it less painful and avoiding that angry redness.
And yeah, like the slide says, you've got to make sure that layer is nice and thin. If you glob on too much, it's just going to squeeze down and grab on eyebrow hairs you definitely want to keep. So remember, when it comes to the paste, less is absolutely more. It's all about precision. Okay, remember those small strips we cut earlier? This is where they come in handy. They are perfect for that little area right between your brows. They just give you so much more control and let you see exactly what you're doing. So, same deal. Press it down firmly, give it a rub, and then pull straight down.
All right, so we've got the basics down. Now it's time to tackle that more delicate area, under the brow. And we'll also talk about cleanup, because let's be real, you might get a little sticky. But don't worry, it's totally normal.
So for under the brow, you're going to use that same careful motion. Just draw a really clean line with your applicator, again, against the direction of hair growth. This is the part where you want to take your time. A steady hand and a good mirror are going to be your best friends here. Now you might notice that the paste starts to get a little stringy. As you can see, that can happen. Don't panic, it's completely normal. Just use your little stick to wrangle any stray bits and keep on going. Okay, so what happens when you pull the strip off and there are those annoying little sticky bits left behind? It happens to everyone. So, what's the best way to clean them up without smearing it everywhere? Well, the solution is actually super simple. You just take a clean section of the strip you just used, press it down firmly on that sticky spot, give it a quick rub, and pull. The leftover sugar will stick right to the strip and your skin will be perfectly clean. Easy, right?
Okay, your brows are looking amazing, but we are not done yet. Please do not skip this final step. Proper aftercare is what takes your results from good to absolutely great. We're talking smooth, calm, happy skin.
And here it is. This is the payoff. You get these beautifully shaped brows without all that angry, obvious redness you get from waxing. Now, if you have super sensitive skin, you might see a tiny bit of pinkness at first, but it's really minimal and it fades super fast.
When it comes to aftercare, you've got 2 fantastic options. For pretty much any skin type, a simple skin toner is perfect. Just dab a little on to help calm the skin and close up those pores. But if your skin is on the sensitive side or tends to get bumpy, this mud bath is an absolute game changer.
You know those little white bumps you can sometimes get after hair removal? Well, that's just your skin having a tiny inflammatory reaction. And that mud bath, it is fantastic at preventing them. You just put on a quick 5-minute mask, and it does an amazing job calming everything down, so those bumps don't even have a chance to show up.
And really, that's the whole magic of sugaring your eyebrows, isn't it?
It's gentle on that super delicate skin around your eyes, but it's still tough on those little straggler hairs. You get a perfectly clean finish every time.
So, there you have it. With the right tools, the right technique, and honestly just a little bit of practice, you can totally get those professional-looking results right at home. You've got everything you need to give your brows the sweet treatment they deserve.